Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use whey protein for weight loss. So let's get started. So let's first get into what whey protein is. Whey protein is actually a byproduct of cheese manufacturing where milk is acidified, and once it's acidified, what happens is it forms curds and whey. So this liquidy wastewater in cheese production would typically just be taken downstream and discarded as a useless byproduct. However, in the 80s, some chemical engineers found that this actually had value. It can be ultra filtered and concentrated and then spray dried into a useful instantized ready to mix powder. And that is a very popular product on the market today. I actually have just launched my supplement line called Gauge Life Nutrition Supplements. You can check it out. But the thing is, a lot of people want to know how to use whey protein to support weight loss goals. So we're going to get into that. So what you need to know is that no matter what you're eating, you still need to be in a caloric deficit. The reason whey protein is such a helpful ingredient if you are looking to lose body fat and just lose weight in general is because it is a very high protein, low carb, low fat ingredient. And what I mean by that is a lot of people typically fall very short on their protein consumption, and protein consumption is very essential to help you with weight loss because your body cannot obtain all of the amino acids that it needs by itself. There are essential amino acids and you need to get it from real food. So whey protein is a perfect example, and it's a complete protein because it contains all of the essential amino acids. So in order to make whey protein work for you, it's great to take for breakfast. Eating breakfast, a high protein breakfast, can make you feel substantially fuller, boost your satiety, and give you a lot more energy and mental focus throughout the day. Another way you can use it as a post-workout supplement where you can use it to help deplete, restore, and help recover your torn muscle fibers. So it's a really great product. It can be used as smoothies. You can turn it into protein pancakes, a wide variety of things. But the key, you guys, is still making sure you use it to dial in your macros. And I ask you guys to beware that not all whey proteins are created equally. You always want to read the labels. You always want to look at the macros. Now, there's a difference between whey protein concentrate and whey protein isolate. Whey protein concentrate is typically 80% protein. It's going to have more fat and more carbs. Whey protein isolate is as pure as you can get. It's 90% protein with it's virtually no carbs and very low in fat, almost like 1 gram of fat or even less. So if you want to use whey protein into your meal plan, you can certainly do so. There is no real benefit of getting it from protein versus real whole food. It's a little bit more convenient to get it from protein powders. It's a little bit more economical. So if you guys have questions about my supplements, or if you want to know if your protein is a good one, or if you want to use it up and how you can build that into your meal plan, let us know. We can always build you a customized program to help you out with your goals. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.